Tired of messy callbacks? Let's simplify asynchronous JavaScript using async and await. Make your code clean and reliable in just a couple of minutes. So what is an async and await? Async makes a function return a promise and await pauses execution until the promise resolves, making code look synchronous. So here inside the script.js file is a basic example of fetching data from an API using fetch, and how it works is fetch data function is marked as async, allowing the use of await inside it, and fetch returns a promise and await pauses the execution until it's resolved, and if an occur errors, use try and catch to handle it gracefully. And that's how async await makes JavaScript easy to read and debug. Use it for API calls, delay and other async tasks. Keep coding and stay async.